Why am I so yellow? Oh my god. Anyway, good morning to a very cold day here in Manchester. It's the 7th of September, and that means this is probably going to be my last day as a student in my life. Or at least, I hope not, but at least the master degree for sure. And I don't know how to feel, but few things have happened in the past few days, and that's well, not a few things, basically one thing, and that's the fact that I moved out from my student accommodation was kind of emotional, but at the same time it was hectic because there was so much to pack and that was happening while the dissertation was going on, and honestly I didn't have much written down. So yeah, that was very stressful, and also I realized two things, and the first one is that I have too many things. I think I consume too much and there are a few things that I like. When I was packing, I realized that there were a few things that I really didn't need, but I still had it. And the second thing is that I need an e-reader because I had to pack all my books up and send it back home in a box, and it was 35 kilos of books, which I like now I realize it's not the best decision, especially for someone like me who reads a lot. I think, yeah, I think it's high time I grow up and invest in an e-reader. And I just realized I look really sleepy, and ignore that because I'm functioning on like three hours of sleep. And yeah, so it was quite emotional leaving that place. But it didn't feel like the way it felt when I left my undergrad, because I stayed in that room for 3 years. But still, like IQ had become my home for a year when I needed it most. So it was a good place to stay during like the lockdown and all that too. And I think that's one of the reasons I didn't feel too emotional, is because I was feeling too locked up and too like caught up in my room. So maybe under normal circumstances I would have felt more emotional about it than I did. So yeah, now I got myself a haircut, which is really short. And also I moved to a hotel because I'm only here in Manchester for like 5 days, out of which 3 are already done. So yeah, I'm just here, and it's a pretty cool place. There's a nice view, and it's dissertation time. So as you can see, most of the dissertation's almost done, at least the important bits and pieces. Thank God, because I'm 6 hours away from deadline. So today it's going to be a lot of just editing and transferring tables and making my dissertation look presentable. And also I need to fill up the appendix and references. Yeah, I procrastinate a lot, so I kept everything for the end, and here we are. I also have my cup of tea to get me started, and of course loads and loads of food. You know, have to stay full to be able to function. I am such a stress eater. Okay, so we have an ample amount of light and a cup of tea so I don't fall asleep, and glasses on. I look like a bug, oh my god. Anyway, glasses on, motivation, whatever. Let us begin. Okay, so it's 10 minutes before deadline. We finally made it. Oh my god. Okay, let's upload it. Please let this not get messed up. There's literally like 7 minutes left for the for the deadline. Okay, this is stressing me out. Oh, why can't it process sooner? Okay. confirm. Wow. It's done. Look at that. So the time right now is 3:57 and the deadline is 4 p.m. And look at me, 3:53. So I am finally done with my master's. I submitted my dissertation and it was such a close call because I was so close to the deadline, and that's completely on me. That's my fault, but at least it's done now. And I called my parents and I spoke to them and I got all emotional and stuff, which is understandable because such a big part of my life is done now, and I really hope that this is not the last degree that I do, but I don't know, what if it is, right? So then my education is basically done. So it feels a little weird because till now I always had a plan. Like once I was done with my undergrad, I didn't go to uni immediately, but I always knew I was going to do my master's. So now that I'm here, that was just my focus. But now I don't know. Like all of a sudden it's like, what? I'm just done with all my plans. So now what? There's nothing left in the list. So I think it feels a little empty all of a sudden. But I'm sure it's just going to last like a day or two till the job hunt begins, which is going to be a series of disappointments. But hey, such is life, so it's fine. But I'm done. Oh my god, I'm finally done. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I'll probably just go out, take a walk, and if I do, I'll take you along with me. But we will see. So maybe I have such a bad headache right now because I didn't have coffee all day, because I didn't have the time. And let's see, I think I might just go and take a walk, get some fresh air and just enjoy the freedom. Dobby is free. So now that I'm done with my master's and my dissertation, I thought, hey, how do I treat myself? And I realized I haven't had a proper meal in almost over a week now. So I've never tried a vegan burrito box before. So I went and got that and got myself some fries. So this is how I'm going to celebrate, by having a proper meal and watching The Weeknd's VMA performance for the 800th time. I don't know. It's amazing. So this is my party for tonight.